In the last video, I dug this hole and promised I'd tell you why. The reason is simple. I'm starting a tiny project here in the forest. Not crops, not animals, something even smaller, but just as important. I chose this spot because it's shaded, close to plant life, and protected from the wind. The kind of place where the ground holds its own little secrets, just below the surface. Before anything can move in, I need to make this space inviting. A mix of moisture, organic matter, and shelter, just enough to make this patch of soil feel alive again. This is my hobby, building life from the ground up. Even at this small scale, it's fascinating to see what nature can do when you give it the right conditions. Now, it's up to nature. In time, something will arrive here and change everything. You will see in part 3. If you'd like to see how this all started, you can watch part 1 right here. And if you don't want to miss part 3, make sure to subscribe over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.